Hi YouTube, today I will be reviewing the Spurtles, which are kitchen tools, so let's unbox it. So this is how the box appears when you receive it. It's very nice and ergonomic. Let's open it up. And inside we have 4 utensils. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So not only this is a great addition to the kitchen for cooking, it's also a great decorative piece. It makes a great gift for anyone. It's very beautiful, and the box itself is also beautiful. And this is also good for our health because metal is not good. Its remnants can get into our cooking, and that's not great, but this is wood, so it is safe to use. And you can see that this is all made of one piece of wood. It's carved, so it's not multiple pieces of woods combined together, so that makes it very healthy. So this can be used for any dish. For meat, for example, it's great for stirring the dish. And it's not scratching the bottom of my pot. It's very easy. It's almost the same as using the regular metal spoon. And the edges of this are rounded, so that also means it's not damaging my food or my pot. And as you can see, this can be used to mix any other foods such as chickpeas, lentils, and any other kind of beans. And it's done effortlessly, and as you can see, it's not scratching the bottom of my pot. And it's very easy to wash up the residue, and it's gone just like that. Why is it better to use a wooden spoon when cooking? Wooden spoons don't quickly heat to high temperatures, they don't chemically react with acidic foods, and they don't scratch our pots and bowls, as the metal ones do. They don't melt or leach chemicals to strange tastes into hot foods as plastic does. It also provides a firm, strong handle to hold, which makes it easier to stir and more effective, so there's no fear of the handle breaking. If you like this product, don't forget to check out the description box below. It will be available to purchase from Amazon.